2.5 months after Hurricane Idalia swept through the Big Bend, Suwannee County emergency management officials are learning how to better prepare. The team took a training trip to Walton County this month. News 13's Kimber Collins caught up with Suwannee staff about how they are recovering and what help they need the most.
Walton County Emergency Management sent staff to help Suwannee County before Category 4 Hurricane Idalia wreaked havoc on the land.
We got some short-term, very brief flash flooding, so we survived that. It was just a lot of more what we would call like a microstorm, a lot of tornadic, twisting wind damage that came through because it was just a very quick-moving storm.
Suwannee County has an emergency staff of 2 under the Sheriff's Office umbrella. Voles said without Walton County's help, they would not have made it through.
Without Jeff's leadership and his understanding of what a small, rural, fiscally constrained county goes through, and seeing that up front, we wouldn't have had those people, and we would have been behind the 8 ball. There's no doubt about that.
Now working through recovery, Voles brought his team to sit down with Walton County staff and learn the best practices of response and recovery.
We were not training and educating our outside staff and our leadership, and what does that mean? And so when you have a county that comes in that's already got the blueprint in place to put that in action, in motion for us, that meant a lot. And so for my leaders, they got to see, wait, this works. This makes sense.
Another priority in Suwannee County's recovery is agriculture. Voles said livestock, cotton, corn, and peanuts were heavily impacted.
We have over 100 chicken houses that were either destroyed or damaged, and that's significant for us. We haven't seen the impact yet because I think it's about 6 months down the road when those chickens that should have hatched out, over 5 million of them that were euthanized to be used for our poultry industry, they won't be there. And so we're not sure exactly financially that impact how it's going to be.
Dairy cows in the area also saw a 10 to 15% decrease in milk production due to stress from the storm. In Walton County, Kimber Collins, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Governor DeSantis signed a disaster relief bill on November 13th, providing $416 million for North Florida farmers and residents affected by Hurricane Idalia and future disasters. Each farmer can receive a low to zero interest loan up to $250,000. The loan must be paid off over a 10-year period with loan forgiveness starting on year 7. For more information about the program, go to our website, mypanhandle.com.